Hello friends, I'm glad that you're here with us. Today we're going to work on how our angles make a difference with driving your animal forward. We're also later on going to work on backing thumbs down method. There you go, walk. I'll wait for her to get ahead of me. I'm going to step over so I'm kind of in a driving position. You see how my belly button is? I am faced. Sometimes when I look over, Paul, and this is how I see you. You see how when I turn my body straight, how she just stops going? But if I get back here where I'm driving her, then we're going to keep that forward motion.
Okay.
But as soon as I turn like this, you see how she stops? I'm going to get back into that driving motion. Okay, driving motion. I'm facing her shoulder. My head is facing her shoulder. Okay? Now sometimes I might need to step over more to the left to keep my belly button in that right spot. Okay? Because as soon as I go like this, she's gonna stop. Okay, now I'm facing, I gotta move over more, right?
Yeah.
Excuse me. So it's not always just walking forward. Sometimes, if she moves faster, let's say, now I'm facing the wrong way, you see? I gotta step over to be driving her forward. Walk.
Okay.
Okay? So, sometimes I'm walking forward, but sometimes I'm walking, like, do you see how my feet are kind of crossing? In order to keep myself in the right spot. And then sometimes I can just walk forward, but it just depends on what she's doing for me to stay in that right spot.
Okay.
Okay, so sometimes I'm walking forward. Can you see my feet? Put the video on my feet. Sometimes I'm walking forward, but sometimes I gotta walk over more to the side to keep my belly button facing her stripe on her shoulder. Okay? Okay, this is Yuno's second time asking him to take a step back, thumb down method. Very interesting to be able to show a video. Once he does it easily, right now he's like, what? Small movements, Paul, you don't need big movements.
It's pushing on me.
Just stick with it.
It's getting hard with you, you know.
Small movements.
You're bony, sir. You're very bony. I don't get a difference. My arm hurts.
Stick with it. Don't release the pressure until he takes or either leans or steps back. There, good, good, good. Long break now, because that took him, that was hard. 1 minute and 12 seconds, guys, to get him to take that second step back. Now look at, he's already licking and chewing some. He was a second ago, but we're gonna give him time to soak that in.
All right, it's going.
Okay, this is the thumb down method. This is the third time asking her to take a step back. The movement from your arm doesn't need to be big, and it's side to side. Now right now, they don't know what we're asking, so there might be resistance. As soon as she leans or steps back, and I'm gonna move myself so that I can see all 4 feet, because I don't wanna miss the reward. There.
That took 30 seconds.
Okay, now I'm ready. There, good job. That one took 6 seconds. So the first one took over a minute and the second one took 6 seconds. Pretty big difference.